Alright guys, welcome to another Graphics tutorial. So I'll be giving you a very important gist this hot afternoon. Alright, so it's a data trick, a data hack that I discovered. I've been using it quite sometimes and I want to share it with you now. Okay, so you'll be needing two apps to get this free data, and guess what, it works on all network: MTN, Glow, Etisalat, Airtel, whatever network you're using. It works perfectly on it, yes. And you'll be needing just two applications on your phone. It works both on iPhones and on Android phone. So what app do you need? You need the Reach Out app. Yes, the Reach Out app. I'm sure you've seen the logo up there. Yes. And you need the multiple account app. I'll be sharing with you how to use the two applications to achieve your aim. Like you can make 10 gigs, 15 gig. I'm sure you can see that video. Actually, I'm having like 49 over 50 gigs of data. It doesn't expire. You can use it for as long as you want it. Use it on your TikTok, Instagram, anywhere. Enjoy your free browsing. All right, so let's take the journey together and learn how to use the two apps. All right, welcome back guys. So this is video on how to use the Reach Out app. This is the home screen. Okay, so just click on get started and click on next, click on next, click on next, and it's going to ask you for your phone number, so you can just type your phone number. I'm going to use another of my phone number. Okay, um all right, so I'm going to just click on verify, and they've sent a link. I'm just going to wait for the code, the OTP. Okay, once you enter it, it will log you in. Okay. All right, so I'm going to just put any name and proceed. All right, once you proceed, it's going to ask for a referral code. This is actually very, very important, because if you didn't enter this referral code, it's not going to give you the first 500 MBS. All right, that's the referral code just on the link. So make sure you copy it correctly, okay? Just check through, you see the code, put it there. You can copy it or you can write it out somewhere. Make sure it's correct. If there's any mistake, it won't go through. So once you type the code, you click on continue. Okay. All right. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to turn on notification, but you can just skip that. Okay. But if you like, you can turn it up. It will be sending you notification time to time. Okay. And here we are. Okay, with Reach Out app, you can actually chat with friends that also have Reach Out app. So it's a chat app. It's not just any app. That's why, see, this app is trusted and is tested and trusted. Yes, you can see, congratulations, the message just arrived that I've been credited with 500 MB. Yes. And this 500 MB, I'm going to be showing you how to increase it to 10 gig, 18 gig, 20 gig, as many gigs as possible. So let's watch how to do that in the next video. Okay, so let's check out our 500 MB. Okay, click on settings. You can see settings there. Yes. And click on that zero data, that long line. You can see it's already there, 0.5 gig. That 0.5 gig is equivalent of the 500 MB. Now you have to let this on if you're going to be using the data, but that is our 500 MB is ready to use. Okay, I'll show you how to use it in the next video too. Thank you. I'll show you how to use to get multiple of those gigs until you have like 10 gig, 18 gig. Okay, so what do you use? You need your multiple account. Okay, multiple accounts. This is my multiple account. So just click on it. Once it opens, if you're using it for the first time, it's going to ask you to agree to the terms and condition and so ever and so ever. Okay, now I have reached out here already. I'm still going to clone more, but I can delete this to clone another one, but I don't need to do that. I'm just going to click on this plus. Once I click on it, it's going to bring out the apps on my phone. You can see I have my recent app, and reach out is one of them. Hey, because I've been enjoying the free data. Okay, so I'm just going to click this plus that is on this reach out. Okay, and you can see um it's adding it. So let's just wait patiently. It won't take time though. All right, so you can see it has added it and it has opened. It has just exact the same interface like the other one, and we are still going to go through that process again. All right, so let's just click on get started as usual. That's the first thing. Then click on next and next, and make sure you have access to the phone number you're using. Okay, you can collect phone from your friends, use their phone number, any network, not just MTN, any network. Okay, enter the OTP that is sent to the number, the 6-digit pin. Okay, for it to go across. Oh, I'm still waiting to get the message. Okay. All right, so now I've entered the code. Proceed. Just type any name, any name that comes to your mind at all. Okay, then click on proceed. Let me just type Faith. Then use your own personal referral code. You can get your own code from that setting. You're going to see refer a friend. Okay, so just click on your own personal code, not this code again. Then you can skip the notification for later. Okay, then congratulations, you can see this new account is registered already, and you're going to soon get the message of the 500 MB. But our interest is not the 500 MB that is coming here. You can see 0.5 gig is there already. Our interest is the extra 1 gig that will be added to our main reach out app. All right. Okay, so I'm going to show you the I'm going to increase. Okay, log into my main reach out. 17.7 gig base, 18.8 gig, 1 gig added. So the more phone numbers you have that you can access the OTP, the more 1 gig you get. Okay, and remember, you can see 0.0 gig over 18.7 gig used. Once this is on blue, that means is my data is on. I'm actually using it, but it must be on like this for you to use your free data. Anytime it's down, like it's not showing this blue, that means it's not activated, it's not active, it's not on. Okay, I hope you're getting this. All right, so once it's like this, you know that it's not active, that means it's not on. All you have to do is just to click on that central button like icon. Yes, just click on it and it's going to turn blue. It might take you to another interface, maybe your Chrome browser or any browser at all, just to get you connected. Once it's like that, you can see zero data.app is connected. Yes, that means you're now browsing free. You don't need a VPN, you don't need any of that extra app. You can start streaming online from TikTok to Instagram, whatever app you like to use. You can see it's working, it's active. Okay, just enjoy unlimited data, stream as much as you want, download your YouTube video, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, any social media platform you want to work. You can see this, my Instagram is working. Like, enjoy yourself. All right, so to get another one, go back to your multi-account app and delete the first reach out app by long pressing it. Okay, you can see, then click on delete app. Yes, once you click on delete app, it will be removed from your multi-account app. Then you can, yes, confirm it, delete it. Okay, then you can click on the plus icon again. Yes, that plus that is just down there. Once you click on it, then it will take you again to the list of apps that are on your phone. Scroll down to reach out and add it again. Okay, just click on that plus, and you can do this as many times as possible. Okay, as long as you have a new phone number that you can use to get the OTP. Your mom's number, your uncle, your auntie, you just use it. Ogbeni, when you put the code, tell them, Ogbeni, borrow me your phone, uncle, collect your OTP, delete it and give them their phone back. Oh, enjoy yourself, my people. I'm sure you can see my current balance. The data is unlimited. You can get as much as you want. So get your data and thank me later, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching this amazing video. I hope the data works on your phone because it's working on mine, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification button because there are lots of amazing videos that will be dropping very soon. You don't have to miss it. 2024, we no go gree for anybody. Yes, we must make it together. All right guys, thank you very much. Bye. See you in my next video.